print setup, because when we do printing in our Excel file, so our file or data sometimes is too huge, that's why we can print it on one page. So what are the tricks and tricks to do it? Let's learn smartly. First of all, when I click on Ctrl P to see the printing page, so here we see there are 4 pages. Like you can see, it is too tiny, it is like this way, and I don't think so that this is for print. It is too bad. So what would I do? First of all, select your headings and press Alt-H-O-I. It will auto-fit column width, and then when you click on it, double click on it, because these are not good. Okay, and then second condition, you have to come to the page layout and in margins do it narrow, because we are required for it. And in another side, just come to this sign, and this was not okay. So in orientation, change the orientation from portrait to landscape. Okay, now if this is okay, so we are going to do Ctrl P, and then you can see here are only 2 pages. Okay, why? These are 2 pages. This is good for 1 page for both sides. But if we want only 1 page, so what would I do? Another thing is that width. Change the width for 1 page and also height for 1 page. So now the required place will it get, and the font style or size, everything will it manage, and it will be on 1 page. Now I'm going to press Ctrl P, and now you can see this is on 1 page. Also the whole place, and there is still space where we can add more data. So like this way you can do your data on 1 page printing. So thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more tricks and clicks. Thank you.